Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Trust Wallet application to the Pancakeswap network. Alright, let's get in. First of all, you're going to have to open up your Trust Wallet app. Don't forget, while you're opening up your Trust Wallet, you're going to be met with a prompt to always input your passcode as a security measure. From here, we're taken to the tokens menu on Trust Wallet, where we can see all our available tokens. So what we're going to do now is move over to the DApp section, just at the bottom right corner of the screen, like so. While at the DApp section, we head over to the Pancakeswap exchange platform by simply clicking on the rabbit icon or whatever you identify it as. Once that's done, you give it some time to load in, and you also check your network connection. By network connection, I mean what network you're connected to, whether it's Polygon, Smart Chain, Tomo Chain, Ethereum, or the Ethereum Classic. All right, guys, we're connected on Smart Chain right now. And what I'm going to show you now is basically how to connect your Trust Wallet application to the Pancakeswap network. You click Connect, you click Trust Wallets, and boom, you're connected. Like, that's just it. You click Connect and you click Trust Wallet. That's just all. Okay, guys, thank you for tuning in today. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how to connect your Trust Wallet application to the Pancakeswap network. Thank you.